Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the daily time frame, we really have to realize that the trend is definitely still down. We do not have an engulfing candle to the upside. We do not have a higher low. We definitely do not have a break of structure. So there's really nothing stopping this thing from going down, taking out the lows and continuing down. Now I agree that this is an area of support, but just because we're at an area of support, it for me is not enough proof to go down to the sort of time phase and start looking for longs. So I'm definitely still on the short side for the dollar. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yesterday I was talking about how if we did turn at a fib level and if we did break structure, then it probably would be an ABC. But what ended up happening was price went way below the 78%. It actually went all the way beyond the 88%. Normally when price goes below the 78%, it will end up taking out the previous lows. So yes, we did get an impulsive up. Yes, we did get a break of structure, but because of how low it went, I would actually be more focused now on getting rid of these Fibonacci levels and putting a fib from here to here. And I would be focused on this move up right here, very likely being a pullback to this last wave down. So until we get some sort of a reason to think otherwise, I would definitely be looking at this move up on the dollar as nothing more than a pullback to the last wave down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.